Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently purchased this universal stand assist from Able Life for my elderly parent. It does require some assembly, so let's take a look inside. Let's get it assembled together and give it a try. Okay, we'll take out all the parts, lay them out so we can see what we have. It did come with some instructions, pack of nuts and bolts and all. There are 7 parts to assemble together, very easy to assemble. Again, it came with a pack of 6 nuts and bolts and Allen wrench. So I'll just slide the back portions of the frame together, and then the 2 front legs, and then 2 of the handles. Then I'll place it on the recliner cushion just to kind of fit the width of the cushion before I bolt anything together. Then you have 2 bolts and nuts to tighten up on the back. Slide it back into place. Then I want to see what the depth adjustment needs to be, and then the legs. On the legs, there's just a little spring-loaded ball that you see there. You just push that in, then you have several choices to adjust the height needed. Same on the width and the depth of the bars on the seat. So then you want to place the nuts and bolts on each right and left side of the frame. Tighten those up. Slide the frame back into place, and you can slide it under the cushion or over the cushion. Push that in secure. Again, check the height of the legs. Now we want to adjust the height of the arms, and again you have several choices there. You can try it out, that if it's too high or too low you can make the necessary adjustments. Tighten each of those up, left and right. Push it back in and we're ready to go. So here's a side view of what it looks like. So I'll give it a try. So now you have something to push your seat up. Use your legs, keep your balance. Likewise, when you're going to sit, you can turn around in front of the chair, grab the handles, and assist yourself going down. So I give it a thumbs up, and I highly recommend this Universal Stand Assist by Able Life.